Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today, guys. Excuse me. I'm here today, guys, to actually shout out one of my colleagues. He's been in the business for 18 years, and he launched a new product, okay? So I'm all for entrepreneurs following their dreams and soaring, okay? So I'm always out to help, okay, a fellow colleague. So he just launched this new system and this new program called Copy and Paste Ads, okay? And I know you're like, yeah, there's a whole bunch of those copy and paste ad kind of things out there, but this is a fresh look, a new look, some new ads. This is great for a newbie. Nothing complicated. Anybody can simply do Control-C, copy, and paste, okay? I like what I see here with it. I'm kind of just going to show you. This is the sales page, the video sales page. Once you opt in, you get this. I like the colors, how the black contrasts the screen. So this is the video, okay, that you're going to see that explains the program. It's a one-time $149, okay. To get started, you're going to make $100 commissions instantly via PayPal or Cash App, okay. There's no pass-ups with this. That's what I like. I know there's a lot of systems out there where there's pass-ups. It's one level, $100 you're going to make over and over and over. No pass-ups. You keep all your sales, okay? You get a website with this. I'm going to go through that with you so you can see. Instant $100 payments. It's member to member, okay? Here's what you get, guys, okay? You get the resale rights to sell this over and over and make $100. What I like is they have a voicemail audio, like a sizzle call, okay? So what I already had an 800 link number that I really wasn't using. So I went ahead and attached the voicemail to one of my numbers, okay? So you can actually place ads with this, okay, and put the phone number there. People can leave their name and email address, and then all you're going to do is simply send them your link to opt into the page so they can go through the presentation, okay? So you get a back office, guys, okay? Everything it says right here is what you get. You get a back office so you can track your sales and your leads, okay? There's a tracking software in here so you can track your pages, because there's some capture pages that's included with this too. Your autoresponder is included, okay? Pre-written follow-up messages that's going to go out to your prospects, okay? Step-by-step instructional videos to help you get set up with your system, okay? And hands-free ad posting tools and services, and much, much more. You know, more things are going to be added as this thing is growing, but we want to just put it out here. And he asked me if I would, you know, do a video for it, and of course I would. You know, I don't just put my name on everything. But I've worked with this guy in the past. He's a good guy. And I like what I'm seeing here with the system. So I decided to go ahead and join it. Like I said, it's only $149, guys, one time. Okay, and you're going to make $100. You don't have to worry about pass-ups. I know I have a few other opportunities where, you know, you join at the lower levels. And then if you're not at those higher levels, you lose your sales. You're not going to have to worry about pass-ups or upsells or anything like that with this one. Okay, it's instant $100 commissions, okay, and all you got to do is place ads, and of course, you know, I've got my texting platform, so you can join that and you can send text messages, okay. You can do traffic solo ads, so there's various ways you can market this, but posting the ads, you can do that as well, and we're going to show you how to do that, and we have quite a bit of ad copy that you're going to be using. And on top of that, I have some additional ads that I'm going to throw in to the mix for you if you join me, okay? So you're going to have way more than enough ads to put out there in the marketplace. But not only that, you can text message too, guys, okay? You can do videos, okay? You can do solo ads. But this is a great new little system. I'm excited about it. I'm excited for him that he's launched his own business. Because we promote other people. That's what an affiliate marketer is. We promote other people's products or services. Okay, so this is another affiliate marketing program. Okay, and like I said, I've worked with this gentleman before. He's been in the marketplace for over 18 years, so he knows what he's doing. He's good at creating systems and different things, and he's in some other programs out here as well. Okay, here's an FAQ section down here at the bottom. And I want to show you. You got your login for your member area. I want to show you the capture pages. Just for kicks and giggles, you know, I have my texting platform, so I sent out some text messages check out this page here. Let me show you. This is the page, guys. This is one of the capture pages. I like it. This video will get people to take action and send you $100 straight to your PayPal. I'm getting opt-ins like no other with this, okay? So this is a great capture page. This is just one of them. Let me see if I can see the other ones here. Hold on a second. So we're in the back office. And actually, there's one other capture page right here, as you can see. This one is the middle one that I use, and this one is the sales page, okay? As you can see, you have the back office. I'm in my back office. There's my picture right there, okay? Your contacts are here. Here's your capture pages. Here's tools, guys, autoresponder emails, resources. Here's that voicemail that I was talking about, okay? Set up your profile, set up your PayPal email in there, or you can do the Cash App. Either way, you can get paid instantly. Here's the sample ads. I'm not going to click on that. And the voicemail message, and right here you can see your referrals, okay? So go ahead and check this system out, guys. You can't lose, okay? Again, I am putting my stamp of approval on it. I've joined, showing my support, but I like the system, okay? And again, there's going to be more added to it. It's just the beginning. But this is a great way to get started in business right here. And as I said, you can do text message marketing for those of you in my SMS Phone Leads. You can text. You can copy paste the ads that's back here in the back office. And matter of fact, for everybody, the first 10 people that join me, I will go ahead and personally send out a 200 text message ad on your behalf, okay? That's my guarantee. I will send out a 200 text message ad for the first 10 people that jump on this and take action, okay? Go ahead and get started, guys. Get these $100 commissions coming in. This video is going to do all the selling and telling for you. You're not going to have to be bogged down with answering questions, any of that, okay? Because it's just a business in a box. And once they go here, okay, and they join, what's going to happen is they're going to be automatically sent. You're not going to have a bunch of questions and answer a lot of questions. We've got the voicemail phone number, the sizzle number that's going to do the selling and telling, and then you've got this video that's going to do the selling and telling, and the system is going to send them their login information. So really, you're not having to talk to people, sell people, or do any of that. Just post these ads or text message these ads. So again, my bonus to you, 200 text messages just for taking action. All right. All right, guys, this is, okay, brand new, ground floor from an 18-year marketer that's been out here as an affiliate marketer for over 18 years. Okay, so he's finally put his program together. This is not his first, but he's finally put this particular program out here in the marketplace. And it's a great little system, guys. I've got quite a bit of leads on this, so it's just a matter of time before they convert. And if I was you, I would jump on this right away, guys. Take advantage of this bonus that I'm giving you, all right? Look at all the features and things that you get with it. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Get started with copy and paste ads today, okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.